Yo, what is good? I am Richie Kim and welcome back to another video. This is actually going to be one of a few videos coming this weekend, or at least being filmed this weekend. Right now we're going to car meet, I guess. It's something held by Ranked, which is like another Instagram page. And we already know some people who like regularly attend these kinds of meets. So we're going over there right now. They're doing like I think it's like a fundraiser type deal with a restaurant. You get like 15% off over at Spicy Noodle House over in Santa Ana. But yeah, that's where we're headed right now. So we might see some familiar faces from previous videos, and we'll probably also see some new ones as well. So yeah, it should be cool. There might be, I would say it's probably going to be mainly JDM cars, but it might have some other stuff as well. I mean, I got my girlfriend, she's bringing her Elantra N. I am obviously pulling up in the G80, and then Will, I mean, you all should know Will by now. He's pulling up in his Shelby. So yeah, I mean, it should be a pretty cool event. I'll show you like some of the cars and stuff, maybe show you some of the food too. We'll see. But yeah, I mean, it should be a fairly short video, but I think overall it'll be pretty cool to just, you know, hang out with some familiar people again. Also, like I was saying, this is going to be one of a few videos actually being filmed this weekend. Actually going on another canyon drive tomorrow, going up to Azusa with some potentially new people. So we'll see how that goes. You know, all in all, should still be a really fun drive, as it always is. Alright, okay, STI. I used to want this STI way back when, I think in like 2008, 2009. And I was actually going to get a WRX, not the hatchback version, but the actual sedan version. But for some reason, you know, the salesperson really didn't want me to have it and directed my parents to get me a Subaru Legacy instead. So that's what I got. I got a Legacy, which, I mean, hey, I'm very grateful that I was still able to get a brand new car. You know, a lot of people can't say they have the privilege of being able to drive a new car, and you know, I was blessed to be able to drive that. But I mean, still at the same time, it's like, damn, I could have had a WRX. But in the end, it is what it is, and I still had a great time in the Legacy. I did some pretty stupid things in that car too, things that I definitely shouldn't have, but hey, you know, that's kind of what being like a young dumb teenager slash, like, you know, early 20s guy is all about. We do stupid things, especially if we're car people, right? But yeah, so like I was saying before, back to the content that's being filmed this weekend. We had that canyon drive coming up, and we're actually going to be filming some videos regarding just the car in general, no driving or anything, just, you know, getting my thoughts out about how the car is, you know, maybe some things I like, don't like, and an overall review of my G80 so far, because I am coming up on 4,000 miles already. Honestly, came up pretty quick, you know. I've had this car since mid-December, and it's now mid-March, and yeah, I've put a decent amount of miles on this car, I would say, and that's, I guess, what going to the canyons does, especially since the canyons aren't really close. I mean, they're definitely not like terribly far, but it's still not a close drive by any means. So yeah, I'm hoping you know, to get those done this weekend, and they'll come out probably sometime next week. So stick around for those if you all are interested in, you know, that type of content. But yeah, more driving content will be coming up too if you guys like that. Also, if you didn't see my previous video, I think it should be like kind of short. I actually haven't edited it yet, but you know, one of my good friends, he got a brand new 2024 Golf R. He's really itching to get through the break-in period so he can, you know, go on some spirited drives. But one of these days you'll see him in a video probably Canyon Drive video with this new Golf R, and I think he has some mods planned for the car too. So if he ever does anything on the Golf R, I will most likely have some content on that car. So this plaza actually seems pretty small, and there's also a Target here. So I'm really not sure how this is supposed to work in terms of where the cars are going to be parked, because I feel like it's going to be pretty crowded. Yeah, I'm not really too sure how this is going to work. Although I do see like a hot pink Supra already parked, so I'm assuming they are here for the meet or whatever. Yeah, I don't know how this is going to work. This is, oh, okay, I see the people. So this is it. 20-minute parking, bro. I don't know what we're supposed to do. All right, so we're at the meet.
Look at this interior.
It is, yeah, dude, that zebra interior goes like hard.
Yeah,
but
don't forget that gold H patch right there. Yeah.
Oh yeah, 100%. Like, so here's that yellow Supra again. The wide body, yeah, the wide body with the custom canards. This one's really sick. I do like this one. This one is really, really nice. It's a little extra, but I still like it a lot. Another Evo. Another Evo. Got the Supra with the Supra license plate. This is actually a friend's car. So yeah, it's oh, is that a Toyota? Yeah. This one's pretty nice. Got the hot pink Supras. There's two matching hot pink Supras. Yeah. This is a 4 Series. It is. It's a 4 something. Ooh, bro. Low key though, this wrap kind of goes hard. I don't know. I really like it. Look at this. Look at that wrap. Got the hot pink Supras. There's two matching hot pink Supras. Yeah. This is a 4 Series. It is. It's a 4 something. Ooh, bro. Low key though, this wrap kind of goes hard. I don't know. I really like it. Look at this. Look at that wrap. Got a Beamer. Got a GR. Or GR86, I should say. Someone's pulling up in a 330i. Hella, yep, that is an instant state ref. These things are so low. These are like scraping when they're coming up on that thing, right, like right there.
Not get state ref?
Don't know. I mean, it looks cool. But all these cars are like super slammed. Yeah. Yep. So this is pretty much what, you know, is here right now. I like that Sylvia though. That Sylvia is nice. Got that G.
What does he have? What is that?
That's a M3 40i or M3 40i.
40i.
Yeah. F80. I love this one. I do like this GT3.
Oh yeah.
GT3 is nice.
Got the roll cage.
Does it?
Yeah, it does.
Oh.
Roll cage.
Yeah, I see it. I kind of see it. I do like the GT3. That is nice.
Definitely tracks it.
Does he?
For sure.
You think? I don't know.
Got a roll cage.
So?
Instant shutdown.
Nice Evo. Yeah, so Well, sounds like they're all cruising kind of slow. Hopefully we can catch up. I have no idea how I'm gonna catch up to these guys. I have no idea where they are right now. Let's take a look at the cars that came up with us. We got that hot pink Supra. Got an ISF. I love the ISF. I want an ISF. Here's my car. Got Will Shelby. Got this TTRS. Got the GT3. Ooh, look at the HREs. F80. F80. Actually, this is a. I think this is some four. I forget what it is, the number wise on the. Oh, it's an F32. Okay, F32. And then we got the purple Supra. What's up? What are you saying? What are you saying? What? Oh yeah? Oh yeah? So as you all can see, we are leaving the burger place. They're actually gonna go to some boba place, but me and my girlfriend, we are extremely full because we ate food at the previous place plus this one. So yeah, we're gonna pass. We're gonna get gas real quick and then just go home. But thank you all for watching. These guys were actually super chill. Probably meet up with them again at some other point, but yeah, a great group of guys. I really liked Dean's Porsche. He has a GT3. It was really cool. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. Just gonna get some gas and yeah, that's it. So thank you all for watching.